Continuing on, I got the engines on, got the arms on, drilled holes, fished the wires through. Now when you get the arms on, you're going to have a gap right in there. Basically, just need a little styrene shim, fill it up. Tested my lights, we got thrusters. Slapped the FTL drive together. Got the head trenches in. Whole 6 pieces. Now if you want to do the landing bay with the forced perspective, that is just ingenious and very cool. Now if you want to make the through deck, you're going to have to cut out this and all the locator pins on the top and bottom, which I've already done. Now you'll need to get like after you get it cut out, get you a chisel and just sand it pretty much flush. And I do recommend the landing bay set from Paragraphics because it'd be a whole lot easier to slap in. But I'm going to do a styrene walls. So I gotta hide the fiber optics that I'm sticking in there. Plus, give it a little flavor to the kit. But that's so far what I've got done. Now people's asked me on the light kit. This ain't a light kit, it's just me throwing lights in it. I know there's a plug and play coming. I know there are a couple other light kits in the works. Let's see what else. But it should be pretty good.